Hi Crusade students, I just wanted to give you a brief update on the course and where we are at the moment. And so first of all, I wanted to say great job on the presentation text. I know that that's a grueling assignment, especially in the middle of a transition for the class, such as the one that we're going through at the moment. I wanted to thank you, congratulate you for getting that work done. Getting that in. If your grade is in a good place at the moment and you have that in, you are in great shape as we move forward into the last month of the class. As you may have noticed, I have been going ahead and recording the lectures for Mediasite for this class as far ahead as I can, just to make sure to have those done and stored and ready to go, because I'm not quite sure how access at the university and access to the Mediasite technology is going to work. So coming up on your radar at the moment for this class should be, first of all, the presentation PowerPoint. And you want to make sure that you incorporate the corrections that I have made to your text, or the corrections I've suggested to your text in those PowerPoints. Now that's coming up in about a little over 2 weeks. So it's not as though there's a great time crunch on, but at the same time, you want to certainly start to be thinking about and beginning to organize that. If you want help organizing PowerPoint, conveying your ideas on PowerPoint, looking at templates, anything like that, more than happy to do that with you, more than happy to work through that with you. So that should be coming up on your radar. Otherwise, most of the rest of this class is going to be discussion boards. We have one coming up on Wednesday, so make sure you're participating in that. And then regularly on Wednesdays and even other days of the week, as we move into the second part, or sorry, not really the second part, kind of the last part of the class, we're going to have more discussion boards per lecture than we would have done, and we would do normally, or that we have done up until this point. So I hope that explains where we are in the class. Really, at this stage in the semester, you're kind of free to work a little ahead if you want to. As I say, the lectures are all there. Don't feel as though you have to work ahead of the schedule that's on Blackboard. But if you are in good shape to do so, more than happy to do that. Once you've turned in your PowerPoint for your presentation, and I've signed off on that, you can go ahead and start recording the presentation and just getting that taken care of and out of the way. That'll make the end of your semester that much easier as well. So that's for this course. One other thing I wanted to mention was Greece and Rome. So I have a class next semester, History 321, which is Greece and Rome in the ancient world. I imagine that after doing your presentation text, that doing work for me is perhaps not at the top of your bucket list right now, but I think that this material is going to be very fascinating. I'm very excited about the course. I think it should be even a little easier than this class because it's a 300 level rather than a 400 level. Still going to be fair amount of reading, fair amount of writing. And I know that a lot of you are graduating seniors, but if you're not a senior and you're interested in this class, or you know someone who might be, I encourage you to sign up for the course, or pass the word around. And then just to highlight a couple of other upper division history classes that you might enjoy, there is coming up in the fall, History of Latin America, History of Colonial America and the American Revolution, and History of Modern America from the United States History of the Modern United States from World War II and to the present day. So if you're interested in any of those or want more information about any of those, I'm happy to provide that. Hope everything's going well. As I say, well done for getting everything done that you've accomplished since spring break. Good luck in the future. Don't hesitate to let me know if I can help you. Thanks.